This is my plan to restore law and order in our cities.
Whether it's images or words,
You can manipulate media.
artificial intelligence is making it harder to tell what's real. And for courts, that's a problem.
We know AI can be used to produce what looks like a person's evidence, but of course if it's not the person's actual evidence, that undermines the whole process.
The Chief Justice of New South Wales is banning the use of AI to generate the content of documents like witness statements.
The greater sophistication of these generative AI tools for creating the appearance of something which is coherent, articulate, or an image which has a sort of verisimilitude is one of the challenges for the courts.
AI programs for legal research can save time.
So my 10-hour job is now a 7-hour job.
But barrister Victor Klein doesn't think the technology will kill off lawyers. He says the AI is not always as intelligent as it presents.
If I rely on that, I'm a mug. You find, just like the student missed things, the AI has missed things. That's why you have to check it.
Sometimes the AI will make up cases.
When it does an hallucination, it's just as plausible. And that's the great danger.
The court is requiring all references to be verified by a human, where AI has been used to prepare written submissions.
Gen AI in particular brings both risks but also advantages.
The Law Society of New South Wales welcomes the guidelines, despite pushback from some in the profession.
There will always be different views about it. There are 43,000 solicitors in New South Wales.
A blanket ban on entering sensitive material into AI programs has been walked back.
I have grave reservations about whether the major firms can do what they say they can do in that regard.
Judges are also banned from using AI to formulate reasons.
Respect for the rule of law is a function of the legitimacy of the judiciary and the trust which the public places in the judiciary.
So do you think faith in the system would be undermined if people thought generative AI was being used to produce judgments?
Yes, I do.
You've said there's a potential slippery slope with generative AI. What do you mean by that?
Most legal problems are actually problems of human nature. If that were to be abdicated to machines, a very important part of our democratic fabric would be lost.
Cautionary words from the custodian of a centuries-old court. Alexander Lewis, ABC News, Sydney.